Brands that get it right. Strong brands boost sales. Improve margins and reduce cash flow volatility. Branding is therefore a powerful risk management tool for firms. When people share values, they are more likely to hang out with their like-minded friends. And so it is with brands. The ultimate power of a strong brand lies in the fact that it has acquired meaning and shared values with customers. The meaning is stored in a person's long-term memory, driving decisions when making choices. Consistent brand repetition and messaging throughout the years across all touchpoints becomes effective because it makes it easier for the brain to recall. Therefore, a brand is more likely to win the battle of choice upon purchase. Think Apple, Harley-Davidson, Bunnings Warehouse, and Nike, to name a few. Scientific research has revealed that our brains select brands in much the same way Google selects websites. We call it a subconscious algorithm. Once brands are aligned with the subconscious algorithm and achieve brand choice, they enjoy a sustainable competitive advantage of higher returns and lower risk.